وَلَكِنَّكُمْ فَتَنْتُمْ أَنفُسَكُمْ. You people, you put yourselves in trouble. You put yourselves in fitna. You put yourselves in questionable circumstances. You put yourselves in doubt. You kept putting yourselves in places that you knew would take you away from Allah. You put yourselves in company and in parties and hangouts that you knew would take you away from Allah, but you kept doing it anyway. And they're being told, here's my translation of فَتَنْتُمْ أَنفُسَكُمْ for you, young man. You kept going to the party, bro. You kept kicking it on the weekends. فَتَنْتُمْ أَنفُسَكُمْ وَتَرَبَّصْتُمْ. And every time you were told to make tawbah, you was like, man, Ramadan is like 3 more months. Chill. I'm going to make Hajj next year. Let me just live it up a little. Alright? Let me just, come on. And even in Ramadan, it's not the 27th, alright? 27th, I heard you should do something, extra things, I guess. But right now, it's just let me live a little. You know? Tarabbastum. Guys making haram money. It's not just the young guys that party. Guys making haram money. He's running like, selling liquor and gambling and all this stuff. And by the way, I'm not a mufti. I never will be. I respect our muftis. But let me tell you something about gambling and alcohol. They're not just haram. They are, according to Allah, رِجْسٌ مِّنْ عَمَلِ الشَّيْطَانِ. Abominations, evils from the work of the shaitan. Pork, pigs are haram, but they're not evil. They're just an animal. They're not evil. Alcohol, gambling are evil. They're evil. Allah calls them abominations from the work of shaitan. Not every haram is the same level. These are special haram categories. Special haram categories. Stay away from this stuff. Because you're infected by shaitan if you're involved in that stuff. You're infected by shaitan. Get away from it. Save yourself. Save your family. Get away. Stop looking for a fatwa. Stop. No fatwa will get away the stigma of shaitan from alcohol and gambling. Get away from it. It's no good for you. You're not saving anything for your family. وَتَرَبَّصْتُمْ. And you took your time. The ayah means, you said, I know it's haram money, but let me just make enough so I can pay off the house, then I'll open the halal meat shop. Then it's all halal after that. Well, let me just pay off the house first. Let me just save enough for the kids' college tuition first. Let me just save enough so I have some little bit left over. Then you'll see I will go all halal. I'm just going to go I'm going to go organic halal after that. But right now, let me just do what I'm doing. This tarabbastum, you kept putting it off. You kept saying, inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. You got to jump ship. You're not making money. You're feeding, your mouth is not eating. That's not halal chicken you're eating. When you earn haram money and go to the zabiha store, that's not halal chicken you're eating. It doesn't make it, the money has to be halal and the food has to be halal. You understand? And you're feeding yourself and your family fire. Don't feed them fire. Save yourself. This is a serious matter. You keep putting it off. وَتَرَبَّصْتُمْ وَغَرَّتْكُمُ الْأَمَانِي. And when you put off like that, then shaitan gets you, man. Shaitan fills you with aspirations. Allah says, وَغَرَّتْكُمُ الْأَمَانِي. Aspirations, false hopes, they deluded you. You were like, man, I'm going to move to that neighborhood, then I'm going to get that car, then I'm going to do that. And you're looking at magazines, and you're checking out real estate websites, and you're looking at aspiration after aspiration after aspiration. And then you say to yourself, man, Allah has taken care of me so much in dunya, oh my God, Jannah is going to be awesome. And after I write that fat check at the masjid fundraiser with my haram money, how can I not be guaranteed Jannah? I'll keep the receipt with me just in case the angel lost it somewhere. And look, I kept the receipt. You started creating your own diluted version of what will happen to you, of what success is, of what salvation is. You started feeding yourself lies. وَغَرَّتْكُمُ الْأَمَانِي حَتَّى جَاءَ أَمْرُ اللَّهِ. Until the decision of Allah came, until death came. And all of the things you used to tell yourself, and the arguments you used to have at Eid parties, and the justifications you used to make for your misbehavior, all of that will disappear. وَغَرَّكُمْ بِاللَّهِ الْغَرُورِ. And the one who is so awesome at deceiving, he got you. What is Allah saying? Shaitan got you. فَالْيَوْمَ لَا يُؤْخَذُ مِنْكُمْ فِدْيَةً. Then, on that day, there is no ransom acceptable from you. No ransom will be taken from you that day. وَلَا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. And by the way, you will try to offer fidya, and kuffar will try to. وَلَا مِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا. Even from those who disbelieve, no ransom will be taken. What does that mean? That these people, Muslims, in this world Muslims, in the akhirah, unfortunately munafiq, are being put in the same category as who? Kafir.